Starting a career as a junior quantity surveyor can be both exciting and challenging. The learning curve is steep, and gaining a strong foundation in key areas is essential for long-term success. Here are some crucial aspects that junior QSs should focus on to accelerate their professional growth and build a solid reputation in the industry. Understanding measurement and estimating. Accurate measurement and estimation form the bedrock of quantity surveying. As a junior QS, mastering measurement techniques using industry standards such as the New Rules of Measurement or SMM7 is critical, and take time to understand how to measure various components of a building project. Practice with the tools of the trade like BCIS and Microsoft Excel, and seek opportunities to work on diverse projects that expose you to different building elements if at all possible. Building contractual knowledge. Contracts are at the heart of every construction project. A solid understanding of different types of widely used construction contracts, such as JCT, NEC, and FIDIC, is vital. Study the key clauses, their implications, and the differences between these contracts to understand how they affect project delivery and cost management. Understanding the basics of contract law and how to administer a contract effectively will not only enhance your confidence, but also help you navigate complex situations, such as variations or claims, more adeptly. To help with this and much more, why not check out our online learning platform that offers a library of courses and lectures designed to help you excel as a quantity surveyor. Each lecture includes a video, key points card, and a quiz. Upon completing a course, you will receive a personalised certificate detailing the course duration, which can be used for formal CPD. Simply visit metroun.co.uk or follow the link in the description. But now on to further key elements to focus on when starting out as a QS. Enhancing communication skills. A successful QS needs to be a strong communicator. Whether it's writing a report, negotiating with a subcontractor, or presenting cost data to a client, your ability to convey information clearly and confidently is key. Practice documenting your findings and seek feedback on your written communication. In meetings, observe how senior QSs present their arguments and interact with stakeholders. Clear, concise, and assertive communication is likely to set you apart in the field. Developing financial acumen. A core responsibility of a QS is managing project finances. Understanding financial principles such as cash flow, project budgeting, and cost forecasting is essential. Work closely with senior members of the team to understand how costs are managed and reported. Keep track of how variations and scope changes impact the overall budget, and learn to identify cost-saving opportunities without compromising on quality or project outcomes. Gaining practical site experience. Site experience can be invaluable for junior QSs. Being on site helps bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world applications. Take every opportunity to visit construction sites, conduct measurements, and observe work in progress. This will not only improve your technical knowledge, but also provide a deeper understanding of the construction process, buildability issues, and site constraints that influence cost and project delivery. And finally, build strong professional relationships. Networking and relationship building are often overlooked by junior QSs, but are vital in the long run. Building rapport with contractors, subcontractors, clients, and colleagues will facilitate smoother project execution and open future opportunities. Participate in professional events such as RICS meetings or CPD events, and seek mentorship from experienced QSs to broaden your perspective and accelerate your career growth. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.